In today's video, I grab my bow and head for the woods to chase after a buck my brothers and I have nicknamed Good Genetics. After multiple years of pictures and watching him all summer, he has shown up a lot in one of our food plots. Finally, I get my chance to punch my tag, but not until after Abram has an awesome encounter with the buck on the opening day of Pennsylvania's deer season.
Heading in for the evening. Super pumped. Let's go. The plan worked. Well, almost. He came out 32 yards. So did 20 other deer. And one doe. And she ended up blowing and blew the whole field out. Well, I shouldn't say the whole field. There's probably still 10 deer standing there after. So close. Not quite. Heading in right now, getting in plenty early. Already got deer out in the food plot. Just up there. Oh, there it goes. Just got settled in the stand, overlooking our half acre of radishes that we had fenced in during the summer. And we unfenced them about 2 weeks ago, and the deer are just pounding it and destroying it. We still have another half acre of brassicas that we got fenced in. We'll probably unfence that later on in the season, but we have a lot of deer coming here. 2 shooters, one of them that we call Good Genetics. We've been getting a ton of pictures of him, been following him all summer. We also got another buck that's only a 6-point, but we think he's really old and mature. So if he comes out, I'll probably try to put an arrow in him. They've been coming in daylight almost every single night. We've just been waiting for the right wind, and tonight we have it. So it's gonna be a good night. I think something's gonna go on the ground tonight. sit down. I don't know what happened that first shot. I hit him high and spined him, and I had to shoot him again, unfortunately. I don't know if he ducked my arrow. I don't know if it was just me, but I'm disappointed in that first shot, but he's dead now, right there in the plot. Oh my goodness. That's good genetics. You have got to be kidding me. 40 yards I shot him. This is what food plots does. It was literally, I think, 2 hours till dark. I don't even know what time this thing came out. Before 5:30 it came out, and now he's dead. There is a lot of food here, and the big bucks come where there's food. Abrams calling me. I spined him, and then I had to put another arrow in him, but he's dead right now. I think he was bedded 30 yards off the food plot. I'm not joking. All right, yeah, we'll see ya. Bye. This is what the deer are eating. All these radishes. They are destroying them. I just got down out of the stand. I'm just gonna sit here, wait for the boys to come, and not even go up to it yet. Here comes Eli.
Holy.
Dude, he's nice.
That's a little bigger than I thought, to be honest with you.
Look how long this tine is.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
He's got a big frame.
He's got a really big frame. I wonder how long this is.
I bet it's 10 inches. Every bit of 10.
He ducked quite a bit, or else I would have like smoked him. He is ours now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We're gonna get a tag on him, gonna get him gutted, taken care of, and we will see you on the next video.